Hello, I'm Louise, a speech and language therapist working with Commtap.org. Commtap is a community interest company that aims to provide free resources to support children and young people with speech, language and communication needs. The resources are freely available to download on the website www.commtap.org. In this video, we will be introducing our new resource pack that can be used to support children to develop their skills with how many words they are able to understand in a sentence. Sometimes when talking about our understanding or comprehension, the term keywords is used. This relates to how many pieces of information a person needs to understand to be able to follow the instruction. Use page 5 and 6 of the resource pack to help work out how many keywords your instruction has. This provides some examples of instructions at each keyword level. In this pack, we will be focusing on information containing 2, 3 and 4 keywords. The pack starts with some information and questions. This covers how to use the pack and how to contact us if you have any queries or comments. The next section introduces some different activities you can use with your child. During this video, we are going to demonstrate 3 activities showing 2, 3 and 4 keywords. Listen out for how the adult praises and supports the child by using the strategies. When using this pack, you can use the picture cards and vocabulary provided, or you can make up your own set of resources specific to your child's motivations. We will now demonstrate some activities. This activity demonstrates a 2 keyword task. The keywords in this activity are the person, the dinosaur or the teddy, and the second keyword is the action that they're going to do. Okay, so are you ready? So I have got my 2 friends here, dinosaur and bear, and I'm going to see if you can make them do some different things. So I'm going to give you some instructions and I'd like you to listen and see if you can make them do what I ask you to do. Okay, so the first one is make dinosaur sleep. Brilliant, you made dinosaur sleep. Amazing. Okay, the next one is wait till I finish the whole instruction before you move, okay? Make dinosaur run. Wow, you made him run fast. Really good. Are you ready? Make Teddy spin. Brilliant, well done. Okay. Make dinosaur fly. Wow, he's flying high. We'll do one more. Make Teddy sit. Brilliant, well done. You made him sit. Amazing. Do you want to go now? Yeah? Okay. So, you can use the card or you can make up your own actions. What would you like to do?
Make up.
Okay, are you ready to tell me what to do?
Make Teddy walk.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Brilliant, okay.
Make dinosaur roly-poly to the end of the table.
Wow, that was a good instruction. Okay, and one more.
Make Teddy walk around in circles.
Brilliant, well done. You did really good listening. This activity demonstrates a 3 keyword game. So the keywords in our game are the items. We have different items of clothing. The size is the second keyword. So we have big and little. And the place is the third keyword, whether we put them on the washing machine or under the washing machine. Okay, are you ready? So we're going to play a game where I'm going to give you instructions. I'm going to ask you to put my items and clothing in different places. Okay, and I'll give you a few instructions and then we'll switch and you can give me a few instructions. Okay, so wait until I finish speaking before you pick the item you're going to choose so you can hear all of the information. Put the little socks under the washing machine. Really good, well done. Put the big dress on the washing machine. Great, well done. Really good listening. Put the big hat on the washing machine. Really good, well done. Okay, now it's your turn to tell me.
Put the big jumper beside the washing machine.
Oh, I like that. You used a new word, beside. Is that right? Is that beside the washing machine?
Yes.
Brilliant. Okay.
Put the small cap in the washing machine.
I'm going to have to pretend to put it in the door, inside.
Put everything inside the washing machine.
Put everything inside the washing machine. Wow, that washing machine's going to be full up. Okay, can you give me one more with just one of them?
Put the socks under the washing machine.
Oh, I'm a little bit confused.
Small socks.
Ah, so can you tell me again in one big instruction?
Put the small socks under the washing machine.
How did I do?
Good.
Amazing. Well done. Really good. This activity demonstrates 4 keywords. The keywords in this activity are the person, either the dinosaur or the teddy bear, the type of food, the size of the food makes the 3rd keyword, and the place we're going to put the food makes the 4th keyword, whether we're going to put it on, under, or next to the plate. Okay, so we're going to play a game. My dinosaur and teddy bear are a bit hungry and we're going to give them a picnic today and choose some food for them. So I'm going to give you some instructions where you have to listen very carefully because I'm going to ask you to put different sizes and types of food in different places by their plates. And once I've had a go, we can swap in. You can have a go at telling me. How does that sound? Okay, are you ready? You are. Okay. Put the little pizza under Dinosaur's plate. That's brilliant. Well done. Okay, so I'm going to pull that one out. Put the big chocolate next to Teddy's plate. Brilliant. Well done. So what I need you to do is wait until I finish speaking before you follow the instructions. So you listen to all of the information. Okay. Put the little cake on the dinosaur's plate. Really good. Well done. You put the little cake on the dinosaur's plate. Okay, I'll do one more. Put the big carrot under the teddy's plate. Amazing. Well done. So now it's your turn.
Put the big chocolate on Dinosaur's plate.
How did I do?
Good.
Brilliant. The big chocolate went on Dinosaur's plate.
Put the big cake on Teddy's plate.
Okay, put the big cake on Teddy's plate. Was that okay?
Yep.
Okay.
Put the small carrot in between Teddy's and Dinosaur's plate.
Wow, that was a really big sentence. I'm going to see if I can remember it. Put the small carrot between Teddy and Dinosaur's plate.
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me another one?
The small bread under Dinosaur's plate.
Put the small bread under Dinosaur's plate. Amazing, well done. Really good. We have now come to the end of the resource pack and hope that this demonstration video has provided some helpful advice and guidance. Please refer to the Commtap website for further resources and information.